Now we've got Damien in Iowa on the line who's got a mystery noise in the bathroom. Tell us about it.
Bought a new house beginning of April. It's my second house I've owned. And in my master bedroom, in the closet, master closet, and the master bath, it's just some weird, like, clicking, ticking noises in the walls.
Does that happen when you run water, Damien?
That does, but that's mainly, I think, my plumbing's in the flooring, and I don't think this is a plumbing issue.
So if it happens consistent with, run the water, turn the water on, off, it's almost always the pipes expanding and contracting. If the pipes are rubbing against the wall, as it expands or contracts, it will make that clicking sound, and then that clicking sound will resonate. So it could be originating in the floor, and you might hear it in the wall and so on. Sometimes it sounds like a drip. Sometimes it sounds like a click. But in a bathroom area, that's the almost exclusively the reason that sound occurs.
Here's my thing. It happens in the closet, and it happens like for hours at a time when the plumbing's not even being used.
Okay. Well, it still could be expansion and contraction.
Could it be because I'm kind of facing the west side, and it happens in the afternoon? Do you think the sun has anything to do with it? Stuff heating up in the walls, or?
It may very well, because when you're heating things up, that you're going to get expansion.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just not used to it. I used to own a brick house, and this one's steel siding. So I never used to hear those kind of sounds.
Oh, well, see, yeah, the expansion and the contraction of the siding is very noisy, too.
Oh, could that be it, then?
Yeah, it could be, absolutely.
I've gotten to the point where I almost want to take a hammer to my drywall and see what's going on in there.
I think you'd be chasing it for a long time and probably never exactly find the point. But it's pretty typical, and I wouldn't worry about it. Okay, Damien?
All right, thank you so much. Appreciate it, guys.
All right, try to get some sleep. Thanks so much for calling us at 888-MONEY-PIT.